All right, look what I got. Nice new reservoir. It's gonna go good in here. It's actually gonna look nice. Cool. So I'm gonna do that right now. And while we're at it, like they suggested or said, it's an option to put a bleeder in. I'll put a bleeder in right here while I have the coolant out on this inline thermostat. So I'm kind of doing this on the fly. I just transferred over the bottom large rubber hose, and I'm just gonna pop those other, see if I can get it for you. Yeah, these things here, just gonna pop those with a screwdriver, transfer the next 2 tubes over, and I should be able to just stick it in there with no issues. I might lose a bit of coolant. Let's see here. Snap. As long as this one's off, good to go. It's good. Okay. The other one. What a pain. Put this on. Okay. Snap it up after I fix it. Fit it, I should say. Okay, and I've got this one. Snap out. Come on, baby. There we go. Sorry, I can't quite turn it there. I'll lose some coolant. Anyway, there's the bottom one. Let's go. Some people have said that these small ones that lead to the rad have, oh, there we go, have snapped off or something. That one seems pretty good shape. Oh, sorry, it doesn't lead to the rad. It leads to, oh, the throttle body heater. Anyway, here we go. And on. Yep. Right, not quite all the way on. Okay. Here we go. Let's transfer it over. There we go. And snap. Straighten it up a bit. Come on. Just the right tool for the job? I don't know. Okay, yeah, snap the upper one. Sorry if you can't see that, guys. But yeah, just do that upper overflow. That's it. Put her in there. Get the hose in. Slide it sideways. In. Oh, I'm getting it dirty already. This is not good. And in the slots. There we go. Done. All hooked up. Overflow, a new, oh, I'm glad about this new cap. I was hearing the other one hissing. Anyway, so I'll just see here. Move you guys up a bit. There. Now. Whoa. There we go. Keep that. I'll hold on to that. Clean it all up nice, look. It's kind of rewarding just even putting any new part on here that you don't have to wipe off all the dirt. Got this nice stainless cart at an auction. It's beauty. Works great. Okay, so now I'm going to take this off and drill and tap this little plug right here. Okay, so I got this set up here. And just as they showed in the information on the website, I'm just gonna make sure I got a nice flat there. I could always grind it, but anyway, here we go. Oh, maybe I should plug it in. Power's on. Whoops. Someday I will have a good shop, guys. Don't worry. Okay, here we go. GFI. Needing to be reset. Here we go. Moment of truth. Some chip breakers. Yeah, it's about an 1/8 inch right there. Make sure I didn't mar that surface there. Okay. I'm gonna put some RTV on this though. There we go. It shouldn't be in the way. If it is, I will, maybe you can see it there. There's a little lip here. I see that. Yeah. The casting just gets slightly thicker right in here. Anyway, I thought I was against this ridge, but I wasn't. So it's good. This may be the first time this is actually put on YouTube because I haven't seen anybody do this. So yeah, here we go. Tapping time. I'll just get some squirty squirt oil here. There we go. Now I'm just gonna run this through by hand. Okay. I know my level here. Nice new tap. Never been used. I'm off a bit. I always check 90 degrees to make sure I'm going in straight, or at least on the flat that I want there. Yep. There we go. Okay. Anyway, I'll put RTV instead of anti-seize because sometimes I use anti-seize if I think there's going to be some weird interaction between the metals. I'm not sure. You know the metals I'm talking about. Anyway, there we go. Okay. 5/16 18. There we go. Look, it's beauty. Yep. Yeah, and then I got that. This is actually off a steam application, so it should be very good for what we've got here. You can see a little gap here, but you know, RTV, bam, done. And it doesn't look like it's going to interfere. I'll get those little chips out of there, but you see that? It's maybe sticking in 3/30 seconds or something like that. Anyway, there we go. Bleeder. Looks good. No burrs. Awesome. There we go. Look at that. It's awesome. I'm going to put it back in. This is a wicked product, and there's so much meat up here that it was no problem at all to thread that in. I have every confidence that this is like a factory kind of thing, you know. Yeah, I could see why they wouldn't do it, because apparently this just is so high flow it just bleeds itself. Yeah, it's just my issues are other issues. Teflon I'll have to do on a non-taper thread. Oh well. Can't find my RTV. See if it holds. Okay. Oh yeah, it feels good. Feels good, feels good. Yeah, that's awesome. That'll be sealed up real good. It's good. See what happens. All right, there's my coolant temperature, 64.4 degrees. Alright, so I filled the reservoir once, and I'm gonna go to the recommended 2500 RPM for I think it's 45 seconds or something like that to get all the air out. If that's not working and it's still overheating after about 8 minutes, then I'm going to try my bleeder. And if that still doesn't work, let's just say that's going to work. Houston, we may have a problem. Okay, this is promising. 2500 RPM, and we've come down below 200. First time ever it's done that. I'm gonna drop it right off to 1200. I can hear bubbling in the heater core. I'm gonna go up to 2000 again. That viscous fan will come on. Well, there's 2250. See if it dips down again. Yeah, it's going down. Oh, wow, look at that. Yeah, it's coming down again. Hello, son. Oh, all right, I'm gonna idle it now and see what happens. Oh, look at that. We're good. Almost, I think we're good. I think either it was the reservoir cap or Tim's suggestion of just revving it a little higher to get that air.
Is that water leak over there? Looks bad. Ew.
You don't want to know what that is.
Why? What is it?
It's mouse pee.
Ew, that's disgusting.
The mouse got in this headliner and went around and pissed all around.
That is
there.
so freaking disgusting.
See that? That's mouse pee.
What the heck? Do you still have it?
I don't know. No, I'm gonna take the headliner right out. This thing's worth keeping, bro. Look at this. Oh my God. Thanks, Tim.
What are you trying?
Well, this was overheating and blowing all the coolant out. So now, after all the stuff, ooh, turn that off.
Why?
Because there may actually be a mouse nest in there, in this. Listen. Oh, did you hear that crunchy sound?
Yeah, it came from in here.
It's mouse bones. Yeah, there's the fans under there. I gotta take the fan down. In the other D1 I had, a mouse made a huge nest in there, and when I turned that thing on, man, it was like boom, 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 boom. The mouse was like, you know, he thought he was in at an amusement park or something. Okay, well, let's just keep her going here. Hey, can you go do me a favor? Go look out back and see if there's any magic smoke coming out the exhaust. Come on, man, do it.
Is there widowy magic smoke coming out of the exhaust?
Look at this.
Is it widowy
I'm
super
so glad
magic?
I bought this thing.
Widowy magic
It's
smoke.
cheap, man. It's like 120 bucks. It's magic smoke. Don't breathe it, though.
I would love to breathe it in. I literally don't see any widowy magic.
No
widowy
smoke? Okay. So I must have got coolant in the, somehow in the cylinders or something. I love that inline thermostat. Man, look at this. Wow. You guys aren't going to believe this, but I have 8-year-old gas in here. 3/4 tank of 8-year-old gas. I topped it up to full with good premium gas and put 1 bottle of, what the heck's that stuff called?
Premium
Sea foam. It's actual sea foam from the East Coast.
Why do you need
Look at this. This is done. This is working. Oh my God. I'm going to be able to go in the Mojave Desert with this thing. You don't think so?
No. Is it really not?
Okay, cool.
How different is it
All
from
right.
your truck?
Let's go out and show the state of affairs out under the hood there. Okay. Okay, by the way, no 3 amigos. Okay, it smells like ass. Smells like we're burning off all the extra crap. Look how close that is to the fan. See that? Wow, that's why I had to jack this up, baby. Jack that up right there, see it? So that it would miss that. Oh man, no leaks. I love this thing. Really good. Didn't need it though. Tim was right. There's my level. I heard a little bit of air in the heater core. My son was pointing that out, and I guess I flushed it out. I rebuilt my power steering pump myself, and it seems to be holding and not exploding oil everywhere. Over and out. I got 1 extra subscriber today.
Oh my God, that is literally so crazy.
Now I have this many.
Oh my God, I have 2 subscribers.
Okay, wow. The only thing that looks amazing in here is this reservoir and this inline thermostat that I got, which works amazing, by the way. 180 degrees. Don't touch that!